beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Munga people, this breaking of out of 18, me I don't understand. I don't know whether this world they turn it to a gay, my darling people. This one will be say a breaking of hearts. People will just maybe because of say man break their heart to this that me I don't understand. Like wait to a relationship na do or die something. Even marriage, if you don't work out, everybody go in your separate ways. Must I remember myself now? Tell show say I be love the man. What about if I remember myself finish that night? That man na the girl when you remember yourself for now. That night the man go carry the girl enter bed, you go all blah blah. You go enjoy yourself. How you go dey reason yourself for a fire where you go there? How you take reason what you do to yourself? How you go take reason now? What go even make you take law into your hand say you want to make yourself because of waiting? Because of waiting, come one man leave you. Now you go say you want to make yourself, my darling people. One lady go make herself because a man tell her say no want again. Like seriously? Now so the word can't turn it to now we be say now to make yourself. Are you kidding me right now, my darling people? This one shocked me. Oh, this one shocked me when I hear him, when I see him. What did you go make yourself for? I don't know what this world turned into again, really. This breaking of heart will be say, man, you will follow man, you not work out here. And so, must you make yourself? Why the man not make himself because of me? Why you can't be saying that me now can't make myself because I me love past now? The man not the love. My darling people, so they wonder if our African people, if they do okay. And they wonder sometimes, really. What if when I want imitate to Igbo now be waiting? You go make yourself because a man tell you say you don't want again. Because you see the man with another girl. Not when Musa no go see forget, really. A Musa is a me, one on a baba. How you go make yourself because I don't know what this breaking of heart they turn it to again. Okay, the other you see get another one. The woman, because a man leave on, he made the baby wait there 8 months because of pepper body. He use that pepper body and take me your picking because a man tell you say, you know, the man break your heart, he don't want you again. Now he go make you take that do that kind of thing to yourself. Like I don't understand though. Una they even reason whatever they reason. This man they enjoy himself. This man they don't blah since you did there they meme yourself. They do anyhow. Is it get one oh the other one again? That one meme the man he give him points because he cash out with another woman. He pretends he don't forgive him. He just have to give the man or tap. He meme the man. They can't arrest the woman. I was shocked, alive. When somebody tell me, say, see what happen for their area. I say, you mean say a woman, meme, yoga, or because he cash with another woman, my darling people. Since the apple for this world, like seriously, since they really apple. Waiting as in waiting day this world now we be say you not go fit take. Why you not go fit take her? Now so you can't love pass. Even Romeo and Juliet not even do this one. I don't know. Oh, Igbo people wanna come meet for the love. Now no, that's what they do one. Though you begin to meme themselves. Now Igbo they do one for film. Now one continue to they do one. And they look and say, now when they do this thing, say now whether not too much of old video will not they watch. Now they cause me and don't know. And now they forget say that old video not be real. Real. Not be real, eh? Like the thing they shockalize me really. How can a grown up a woman now only that man now come be the man where did this world now when you come meme yourself. Now only one be the man where did this world now. You know come get another man again if this one leave you. Now you they try tell me now. You know get another man again. When you come meme yourself because man. My people, things dey happen for this world, sha. Things dey really dey happen. This breaking of heart, wetin we dey use am turn into? Wetin we dey turn into for this breaking of heart? I no understand. I dey look for people wey go tell me this thing, because the thing dey surprise me. The thing dey surprise me. Wetin go make woman kpeme herself because a man tell am say he no want again? The thing dey surprise me really. Wetin go make a man reason that kind thing to himself, say he want kpeme himself? Because I no understand. You dey even reason am say you now go don kpeme yourself fine. The man, wetin go happen to her? I think he no go follow woman again now. Abi he go come dey like that. You don't ever reason her. You even reason her say that night sef, the girl wey you dey say wey you go kpeme yourself for now, wey you cash am with, he now go dey with that girl for bed, so dey enjoy say jogodo that night, zan that bed for una. You go dey there, they say, hey, oh, wetin I do to myself? And you leave children. You dey even reason now. My darling people, we dey use our HQ. Why me wine? Abi uki no? My papa say, if uki they worry big, man go say, I know what I'm doing. I know wetin be uki. Uki na person wey be say e no get sense. Really? I don't know. We know the year say man kpeme himself because of woman. As also woman go dey kpeme themselves because of man. Now una love pass. Because if you kpeme yourself finish, now the man no come follow the girl again. Are you like seriously? You know follow again now. You go dey wait for you very soon. You go come back. Abi you don't see who die we go come back again. Shebi that boy, that Ghana guy wey happen for America, where that girl wan born pikin when he kpeme. Shebi that boy as he don cry reach. Why God not say okay? If na so, make the girl come back to her. The girl don't kpeme. That day for Valentine, I dey look am when he do music for the girl, he put the girl picture surround the body. I pity for the girl. I pity for her. Pity for the lost. See people they put cry. They sing for the girl. That's the 12 they be good together, sha. Only God know why. That one we understand. She want go born pikin and she kpeme. How be you go just kpeme himself because of man? Thing dey shocktalize me. I know they like to dey hear. Sometimes to even talk for the matter, good thing go dey shocktalize me. What go make somebody wake up say na to kpeme in yourself? My darling people, things dey happen for this world. Oh. Things dey really happen. Maybe they use our HQ. Maybe they use our number CC. Thank you, everybody, my darling people. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for?